Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to split and merge PDF with PDF.co using Zapier. We will use this sample 3 pages PDF in this demo. To begin, let's start by creating a Zap. Next, select the Google Drive app and choose the new file and folder as a trigger. Let's set up the trigger. In the Drive field, select My Google Drive. In the Folder field, enter the specific folder where your file was stored. After setting up, click the Test Trigger button. Great! Our test was successful. We can now add another app. Search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the PDF splitter for the action event. Let's set up the PDF splitter action. In the PDF URL field, select the web content link to fetch the source URL from your Google Drive. In the Pages field, type the list of pages separated by a comma to split into PDF. In the Name field, enter your desired output file name. Once you complete the setup, click the Test and Review button. Excellent! The PDF.co successfully processed our request. You can copy and paste the URLs to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully split into multiple PDFs. Finally, let's add another app. Select the PDF.co app and choose the PDF merger to merge multiple documents into a new single PDF. Next, set up the PDF merger configuration. In the list of links to source PDFs, documents, or images field, enter the source file data from the PDF splitter output. In the Name field, type your desired output PDF file name. After setting up, click the Test and Review button. Good. Our test was a success. You can copy the URL and paste it to your browser to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully merge into one PDF. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.